Hello, don't run. Don't run. There are too many of them. Look. Oh, don't run.
No, no, no,
Oh,
no.
Stop it. That was only the top. Come back here. Come closer. See, they're coming back. Come closer. Alright, what are you trying to do? Come across and what? Drink water on the swamp? No good. Go to the dam. I think what they're trying to do, they're going to come across the fence. You're gonna jump there? Alright, see ya. Beautiful. Very interesting birds, you know. Emu, the big birds of Australia.